What's up guys, Andrew here. We just finished up this beautiful steel gray countertop. Everything came out perfect here. Let's show you how it's done. In this place, this is a new build, so they just got down new flooring in this place. So we're always going to do our best to make sure we have the floors all protected. Hooking up our bar here, so this longer vein, elbow actually vein, this goes into the far end of the house. So for something like this, since I can't grab on the left and right of the sink, I'm just going to grab in between the two sinks. Now something like this can be very fragile if not handled properly, but if you keep the stone standing up on edge, pretty much anything becomes pretty darn sturdy. Alright guys, so something like this with tight corners, what we'll do is we'll just undo this off the cart a little bit. Nope, we're just gonna slide it that way. We're gonna take the whole piece down my way some. And then we're gonna be able to go right around this corner nice and easy. Watch your right side. Alright guys, so we've each got our sheet of laminate. This is a 16-inch thick, so this makes it so this will be our tolerance basically, and it'll keep it from scratching the walls. So right now, I'm going to set my laminate there. We're going to tip the cart. Alright. Yep. It's a really tight area. This is going to work great. Alright, now I'm just going to stick my sheet of glue on here. We're going to go up with the cart a little bit. Not one, my sheet of laminate. We're going to stick it just like this. You got to be really careful with the corner beads on something like this. Now, this is sliding in really easy because we taper in the backs because splash is going on this.
The freestyle gun.
Where we're going. So only the tips will be tight. You don't want to leave your sheet of glue on, or laminate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nicely done, everybody. No scratches. As you can see, no scratches to any of the walls getting that in. Now, this isn't going to say that we do not scratch walls all the time. We don't get the pieces in perfect all the time. We're all human, and when we have a 400-pound piece in the air, sometimes it's hard not to get a ding in the wall. But we always address that beforehand with anybody. We'll always do our best to get it as tight as possible and making it damage the wall as little as possible. Huh? Alright guys, this is a fairly tough stone, but just because we want to be extra careful with it, we're just going to add the bars to it. We're not going to be gluing this sink in. We're waiting for the replacement ones. It's going to be a black one rather than the gray one. So right now we're just sticking the 2 blocks. I'm just taking these 2 blocks that I'm putting on each side of the sink. These will make it so that when the new sink comes, we're able to just take these blocks out right away and throw it in. And the customer will have a sink until we get the new one. What's up guys, we just finished up this beautiful 70 square foot install. Everything went perfectly well. We had some tight fits with the vanities and everything. We had them in between walls. We actually had to lift the one up and get it around some casing and some trim. Overall, everything came out really perfect. No seams in this job. This was actually a pretty big L. We had a decently sized island here. Other than the sink, everything came out really good, and we'll get that sink in as fast as we can and make it right for the customer.